2016. And that's serious and not to be taken lightly.
So, we're seeing some rhetoric from Republican lawmakers, including Senator Marco Rubio, who said Mr. Trump was held hostage, the victim of a sham political show trial like the ones the communists used in Cuba and the Soviet Union, railing against the ruling class. In terms of our judicial system in this country, how should someone understand a characterization like that?
Well, I think, it's silly. It's completely silly. The trial and all aspects of the trial were done openly and in public. The jury selection process, someone needs to be reminded, was participated in by the Trump legal team as well. They had all the peremptory challenges that they're accorded by law. The judge, although there's some, accusations made about his impartiality or lack thereof, his rulings are there to see, as other people have pointed out. He ruled in favor of the Trump team sometimes. He ruled against the Trump team sometimes. He was pretty fair and even-handed. A jury of 12 people who were selected and approved by both sides brought in the verdict. So I don't know what is sham about it. The rules of evidence were followed and complied with. So I don't really know what's happening here other than pure partisan politics.
Well, yesterday, how much hot water is he in here?
He's in substantial hot water because he's been charged federally, just like Donald Trump is in a lot of hot water being charged in a state court. But I think an important thing to consider here, by the way, in the wake of your question about the accusations of this vast conspiracy by both state prosecutors and the federal Justice Department that is acting in a witch hunt fashion and a partisan fashion to bring down the Republican Party. Here you have the son of the sitting president of the United States of America going to trial at the hands of his own Justice Department. In a million years, can anyone listening to this broadcast understand and expect that if Donald Trump was elected again and a Biden holdover U.S. attorney were to indict Donald Trump Jr., that Donald Trump wouldn't do something about it in the way that Joe Biden has stayed out of it? I don't think so. So that's an important thing to remember. And also the other thing that's happening this week is a continuation of the trial against Democratic senior and important Senator Bob Menendez by the same Justice Department that these politicians are accusing of being partisan.
Okay. Preet Bharara, thank you for your insight and analysis. We're going to